The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are
Morning,
in
guys.
listen-only mode.
Happy Thursday, fellas. Jock, Anthony, Dennis. Sound check is good. Ken. Morning, guys. Okay, thank you, Dennis. Appreciate it. All right, fellas, we have ADP numbers. There's the 8 o'clock bell. We have ADP numbers, excuse me, in 15 minutes. I have no bots on. I will not turn anything on until after ADP. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. We do have a couple of trials this week and a shortened week. Good day yesterday, fellas. After we left the room, the bot passed 2 combines. The trend bot passed 2 $50,000 combines. A little bit slow this morning. We'll take a look at volume in a minute. NASDAQ's off 70, ES off 21, YM down 177. EMD and Russell also down. Russell's getting hit the hardest at this point, down almost 0.8%. Most stocks are red, with the exception of Meta, which is up nicely, up $5 in the pre-market. I don't see any. Microsoft also up. Microsoft is up 240. I don't see anything down aggressively. In any event, this is all liable to change, guys, on the ADP number at 8:15. Let me read the disclaimer. I did put a couple of trades yesterday into member Skype. Not one person responded. With FOMC minutes yesterday. If you guys are not finding a benefit in trades that I put in Skype, let me know and I will cease. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. It's 497. Woo wee. Anybody take gold? 24.5 is final target. Anybody take gold? It's the runner. We might get 20.7. We might get 20.7 on gold. Boom. Target hit. 24.5. 20.7 would be next. Nobody else took gold. Okay. Nice job, Arjan. Nice job. I got a terrible fill on that. I was pending short at 30.5. Biggest number on ADP in just over a year. Gold is coming down. Interest rate hikes are coming to a theater near you. We're going to be shorts. We're below yesterday's low. If we suck up above 57, you guys can try the long on NASDAQ for a scalp. $57 to $64. Crude came down. If anybody took crude, target one is 71.70. Anybody take that crude short? That's coming too. Crude hit 74, 73. Come on, 70. Give me the last three tick. Boom! Target hit on crude. Boom. Chaka-laka. Bangers, fellas. Bangers. All right, let's take a look at what I think is going to happen today. All right, ES on the daily. I'm sorry, NASDAQ on the daily. 147. We do have decent support here with the 21-day moving average. We broke below it. Looks like at midnight. And we've back tested that resistance zone at 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. We're not going through this. We're probably headed down now to, if I had a guess, that would be your next target, 235. And if we get into this area in here, you see these single prints in here? This is going to go through like a hot knife through butter. That will not hold. That area there will not hold. This area here will not hold. I'm trying to see where this could stop at 219 if it rejects this low volume area here. Those are the only areas that I see for possible bounce longs. $218 area, 220, 235, and we're holding this 250. Here's ES on the daily, 35. Might find some support here first at 48 to 50. I don't see any way we don't come down to 48 next target. Maybe a bounce, drain liquidity, and then a dump again to 35. Anybody have any questions? Lost 50. That's your next level, 35. I think 172 is in the cards, guys. There's that next level. It's trying to hold it. Selling is increasing. Bouncing off that support area. Let me go back to a 15-minute. We're not getting past here. It's just bouncing off that minor support. Morning, Hubba. Crude getting lamb basted, and nobody took crude. Got it to the tick, fellas. Who is that mess, man? I don't think it's going to hold. This could bounce back up to 40. But that would be the rejection to sell. $40 to $50. Anybody have the trend bot on for that? Woo-wee. That's a monster. It's a monster. Let me take a look at NASDAQ on the daily. Yeah, we got a ways we can come. 140, guys, is where this can come. Any bounce up will look to get short. Anybody have the heart to buy that? 220? 218? Anybody? I didn't. I'm just curious if anybody did. That could hold. All right. 73 souls willing to step in and buy it. We're holding some daily support. Come on. Nothing sellers. 100. NASDAQ coming to 172. If you guys are going to try a long, you can try a 172 bounce. Got a hold in this area. 900 buyer. All right. There's 172 on ES. I'm sorry, NASDAQ. Excuse me. 1,000 buyers here. Here's a block buy of 59. Another 800 buyers. Got a sequential decline on the downside. We had a sequential decline here as well. Come on, bounce. It's got to get back above 44. This is the bottom of that zone. Buyers again with blocks. Another block buy here. 200 contracts just bought at 42.75. Now that could be a short cover. or initiating a long. Here we go back up to the 95. Got to get through this trend line here. Seller came in here. If we come back through 46, this can pop. Come on, need buyers. Anybody buy 72 on the NASDAQ? Got 10 handles in it. Okay, David. Anybody long ES? Come on, baby. Really, 47 is going to be some resistance. Above that, we're going to get 50. Unfinished. More buyers. Nice job, Arjan. Nice job. Come on, yes, let's bounce. 1,000 buyers in this candle. Here we go. Let's go. That node there could be a problem. That would be about my final target. Another block buy, 73 contracts. All right, so 47, guys, a bit of resistance, 46.75. Got to get through that first. If you're trading multiples, you want to take, it's a knife catch here. Well, ES, if it gets through 47, I'd probably look to get out at 49.75. I only have the one. If I had multiples, I would take 49.75 and hold. We can get back to 54. And NASDAQ target, give or take 200. I mean, it'd be 30 handles. It's a hell of a trade, guys, catching a knife. Keep going. Leave that unfinished auction alone. Forget about it. This is the resistance, 46.75. Still buying them. Got to pop here. If we get through 7.5, we should get 49 and a quarter area. Got to get through 46.75. It's really a piss poor bounce. 3 buyers left on top in this candle with an unfinished auction all the way back here at 44.75. I mean, this could be the low of the day. I don't know. Who knows? Let me look at this on another chart. Yeah, if we get through this 46.75, 49.50 is a good target. NASDAQ has to get through 193 and can go all the way back to 220. My sense is that they're going to retrace this ahead of the open because U.S. traders are not selling the whole. Here we go. Come on, baby. A little more push, a lot less doing nothing. Next 15-minute bar coming. Come on, get through that 7.5. Here we go. 30 seconds to the next 15-minute bar. Come on, get above 47.25. Sellers are trying at 46.5, right at the resistance. If it gets through this 46, there it is, 275. We need 47.25, and I think we'll get that target. New 15-minute bar. Come on, baby. Don't backtest. Leave that unfinished auction for the open. All right, NASDAQ eclipsed. We should get 49.75 on the ES. NASDAQ has a shot at 221. There's top of the hour. I don't like this trend line here with the, if that auction wasn't there, I'd say I really like this. Another unfinished. We're pulling everything lower though. We're set. I mean, this could pop. This could go all the, at least to 54 and possibly back to 60. Come on, homeboy, flex. Come on, baby. Nice job, Archan. Another block buy, 70 contracts. Again, that could be a net buy. It could be, a short that closed. Come on, got to get this little, come on, got to get above this 48 now. I want it to hold 47.25. Got that auction with 3 sellers on the bottom. I just don't like this auction open here. Sequential decline up here, 4-tick sequential. Guys, NASDAQ is almost a 20-handle bounce. Big bounce. It is a 20 handle bounce. Don't like this though. Okay, one more push into the top of that bear flag. Come on, one more push. Yeah, I missed the crude long at 36, playing with the stupid ES. We got a small 3-minute double top at 48. Got to push through 48. All right, guys. I'm going to take my money and call it. We'll get them on the open. All right, we've made some money. Gold, crude, big winner. ES, small winner. So this is on, small gold trade, a small ES trade. It looks like we're flopping already. I mean, again, I don't personally want to be, if you're going to short, you can short. I don't want to be short at the open, but this resistance now, 15-minute resistance, could hold. A break below this 77 could take you into 64 and then a possible move lower. It looks like we could get blasted on the open, but it's not a trade for me. Just under a minute, fellas. Small bullshit buyers here on the open, a couple hundred. We're squeezing up into this first resistance zone, this low volume area. We're failing this zone. That would have been the short in that zone. Ideally, we push up into this second level. ES still holding that buy zone. Oh, I'm at yes, that's why. There we go. It's all sellers, guys. It's all sellers. I still think you can probably short, but I'd like to see a push back up into this 35 level. We're oversold on the small time frames. No buyers. It's all sellers. You can short it in here, but I'd like to see it push higher. Morning, Patrick. $7,100 sellers. I think you can short it in here. Back down to 72, target 1. Still holding in here. Shorts. We failed the first zone. This 71, if this breaks, it's FUBARD. Let me look at this on the hourly. Hourly's breaking down now. 36 is a target. 36. $37. Anybody short? Okay. Nice job, Peter. Holding this value area low. We've got to break this low. ES broke down. All right, let me look at this. Okay, ES is at some support here. 35. Look at this gap to the upside. Qs are holding this hourly support, 65.45. All right, you can have this. I'm flat. Still think we're going to get to 33. I'd like to see us bounce back up to 190 area. Do have some small buyers. $182 is where we'll get bounced back to. Come on, get to 182. Losing buyers again. Come on, 182. That's where I'm looking to be short, somewhere in there. That's my area for the short. Sold 5. Again, this is a $300,000 account. I'll take 3 off at 77. It's trying to push up. 93 is the next level that this can go to. Got buyers. Have buyers. Went to 93. This only goes long above 206. Down through 76, it comes down again. There we go. Ah, dog. Come on. All right, I took 3 off, holding 2. Holding this damn pivot. Come on, break down. Let's go. Nice job, Peter. Nice job. Funded account, guys. All right, I took 1 more off. I'm holding 1. All right, I'm flat. You're welcome, Peter. Qs are holding in there. I have a 29 next target down on crude. Yeah, and below 26, you'll get 11. Lori Logan speaking. He's trying to go long, fellas. Yeah. High or low? That's resistance. I'd actually try the long. Damn it. Say I'd actually try the long. ES is long to 42. ES is long to 42. NASDAQ is finding buyers. This flips at 03. We flipped. You've got a long now to 07. Let's see here, fellas. Hang on. Let's see if we back test 78, 80. This point of control, I think, is the area. Crude, you can short 53 with a stop at 67. Didn't get there. It just dropped. Gold, I'll be short again below 14.5. I'm still thinking longs here, guys. Not yet. We hit 8,200 on the negative delta. We're down to 6,600. Buyers are coming in down here, guys. Let them jerk around. Let them jerk around, fellas. There's nothing to do here. Thank you, RJ. Jolts won't affect us. ISM will. There's 1,000. Hit 1,100. 1,400. Holding two. All right, I closed out the trade. Trend bot up 1460. Up 1460. One trade. Crew just got lambasted. Just adjusting charts. Looks like SPY will probably trade down to 38.06. There's the new low of the day. Could come to 37.71. Numbers in 5 minutes. Breaking down aggressively again. We've got gap fill. We don't have gap fill yet on the Qs. Morning, Marco. SPY bouncing off that support. Q's bouncing a little bit off 2 standard deviations. Oversold. I have a 114 target, but nice job, Keith. I gave CL. Okay, sit tight. That's the ES on the trend bot. We could push down to 15,090, guys, but I'm not selling the whole. I don't have FOMO, fellas. It goes without me. Don't care. Lori Logan still speaking. Guys, we haven't had a losing trade. We've hit on gold, crude, NASDAQ, ES. Just be patient. I'm not selling wholes. Albert. Crude getting a bounce. Could go back to 71 bucks. Guys, Lori Logan's got to stop speaking. If you want to try another long in the ES, you can try this 25. I don't think ES is going to come much below that 18. We'll get a reversal at some point today. Trendbot needs 1,600 to pass another combine. or another evaluation. I'm in no hurry. It's got to hold right here. Q's gap fill is in down here. We need 66.94. Yeah, you're trying to be fucking cute, Mark. The long was at 25. You could have added at 20. All right, guys. Seriously, you're cute for points. All right, guys. I'm going to try a long on the NASDAQ. Whoop. I'm long NASDAQ. I'd like first target up at 60. Let's call it 56. Got to push here again. We're pushing through this low volume area, or trying. If this pushes up into here, we could start moving. If we get through this 60, we start moving up. We have buyers. Total counter trend trade. But I think we can get to 60, 62. Come on, 15. Come on, baby. I mean, it's a counter trend trade here, guys, but I don't sell holes, so I have to look for reversals, right? We're going to have 240 minutes of resistance at 55 half. Come on, 57, 58. This could pull back to 35. Come on, homeboy, fire it up. Yeah, it could be. Come on, get through that. 35 area has to hold for me. 15 minute. Come on, bounce off that 35. Come on, big fella. They bought 350, 456. They bought 1,200 contracts in the last 9 minutes. This 15 minute is killing me. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, dog. 35 held. Oh, we're so close. If this pushes through 50, 51, it's going. This damn area in here is killing us. There we go. Come on, baby. 50-51 goes. We got you. Nope, not yet. They're still buying them. We're down to 7,800 sellers. Ah. Now 31 support is dropping to 31 area. Could come back to 31. Small sellers came in. There's 31. Come on, bounce again. Held support. Got to hold here. This is it right here. This breaks. If this holds, it pops again. 49 is now got to go. Come on. Pop out of here. Sellers back in. If this area breaks, I got to kill the trade. It's still holding. Still holding. Now got to get above 35 and then 40. Or else this risks breaking into the low of the day. Come on. Be a guy. Let's go. Man, I'm tempted to add right here. Come on, hold this little support. Still holding, guys. $49.50 goes, and now that's it. I'm flat. I don't think it's going to break down, though. I think it holds. 46 sellers in here. Let me see where this trend bot is at. It's basically the same damn trade. Come on, we got a small 2-minute trend line. There it goes. You got me, you dirt devil. Come on. If this gets up through the 240 minute at 55, this will go maybe 56. This can work to 180. Could come right back down to 31. But this seems to be the zone that this wants to try to, make a move back up. Back. Come on, pop this little trend line. Come on, dog. Pop 50, 51. It's this low volume area here, guys. Got to get above 52. If you're in it and you want to take some risk off, take some risk off. At 52 area breaks, we're going to get 57, 58. And above that, we can work to 180. Come on. There it is. Come on, dog. Come on, big fella. Push that sucker. Come on, buyers. There we go, 57. Next area of resistance. This has to go. There we go. Up 1,700 on the trend buy. $2,200 trade here. We're pushing this channel on the 15-minute. This is a spot to take some risk off. There we go. $3,000. 180 target, 179. Who took it again and held? Resistance here. Right there. Got to get through that. Okay, Todd. All right, I sold 2. Nice job, guys. Sold 1. I've got 2 left. We could pull back to 50. $1,300 to pass another eval. Back into support. This has to hold, right? Was resistance, now has to be support. It's holding. Small sellers, 36 in the previous 3-minute bar, currently 10 in this bar. I don't I don't like shorts here. I like the longs. They're going to trap these shorts. Even if it's after 11:30, they'll let Europe hold the bag into non-farm payrolls tomorrow. Let's see here. NASDAQ's down 206. Microsoft is green. Meta is green. That's it. So we held support, right? We had to work to get through it. It was resistance. Now it's support. I like ES in here, guys, for a long also and a push up to 33. We get above 75, we're going 90. 90. All right, TrendBot has a second contract on. We get above 75, we're going 90. We're down to 7,200 net sellers. We hit almost 10,000. So we have some buying in here. That's what's got to go, 76.75. Back into support. Long as we hold this area here, guys, 53-ish, I'm good. I don't like multiple touches, though. This flipped into too short, which I don't like. I like this 49.50 area. As long as we hold this little zone, what we don't want to do is hang out in here and fill in this low volume area, and then we're going to just dump. Long as we hold this low volume area and bounce out of here, we're good. All right, I'm flat. I'm flat. Jesus, just will not break down. It's holding that damn daily. It should come down to 28. I'll take 3 off at 31. I'll take 3 at 31 if I can get it. It's got to break here, and we're going to get 25. Come on, Rat Dog. Got 3 short on the trend bot. Got target 1. All right. We're going to get some support here at 20 at the 240. No, it's right here. So I'll take 2 at 23, 2 at 23. Got it. Nice job, Peter. I want to see this push all the way down to the bottom of that channel, which is somewhere around 60. There's top of the hour. Come on, die. Come on, come down into the low of the day. Catch that swing at 19. It'll get the low of the day quick. Come on. This is going to bounce back up to 42. Gave a nice trade. Held the 240-minute support. It's not longs, though. The only long I'll take is above 76. That's it. If it breaks, it's going to get killed. This could come a long ways. Holding that damn 240-minute support again. There it goes. Pierced it. Needs to push. It'll push into the low of the day. Come on, sell them off. Get that low of the day again. Come on, rat bag. Come on. Here comes the low of the day. If that low goes, this is a free fall on the 15-minute down to maybe 90. If that low breaks, it's a free fall. Buyers trying to hold it. Sellers are pressing them. All right, good enough for me. It's my one trade of the day. Let me just make sure I'm flat everywhere else. I don't know where this is on the day. It's got a runner at 262. That's in sim. And this is at 435. Was at 1700. I'm flat, guys. Everybody have a good day. Still think you can short it right in here. Might make it to 32. Is there anybody that did not make money today? I had one losing trade. Is there anybody that did not make money? You're welcome, Peter. Okay, so everybody is good. We'll stay till 11:30. You did, Randy? Crude is a short at $70.65. You can short it in here. Well, yeah, we had inventory. You can short it here. I hate inventory day, but your stop has to be 71.31. Let's see what this did. I just closed this ES bot out. Lost $87 on the day. Yesterday, the ES did 1,600. I think this is going to get busted out, fellas. Gold finding some buyers. I'm going to try a small short right here. 29. This may go nowhere. All right, I'm short 29. I'll take 3 off at 24. Come on, homeboy, a little bit more. Poquito más. Got some buyers. This could go to 34. There it is. Ah, you dog. I'll add on this at 39 if it gets there. Momentum on the downside is waning on the small time frame. 38, some daily resistance. All right, average is 33.50. Trendbot just went long. I'll try to take 5 off here with a small scalp. Hold 5. Come on, get down here. All right, got 5 out of the way. 3 more at 30. Come on. 3 more. Got 30 out of the way. Holding 2. I'm looking for the failure of this trend line. On the 10-minute, guys, we could come down to 75. I don't know that we can or cannot get there, but 75 is a target. Europe gone in 4 minutes and 45 seconds.